The train on platform 5 terminates at this station. Would all customers please do not join this train? The train on platform 5 goes to North Sydney via Macquarie University. First stop Macquarie University, then Macquarie Park, North Ryde, Chatswood, and then all stations to North Sydney. The next train to arrive on platform 2 goes to Macarthur. First stop Kingsgrove, then Riverwood, then all stations to East Hills, then Holsworthy, Glenfield, then all stations to Campbelltown, and then Macarthur. The train on platform 3 goes to Riverstone. First stop Wentworthville, then all stations to Blacktown, and then all stations to Riverstone. The 7:56 train to Goulburn is delayed by approximately 1 minute. The next train to arrive on platform 2 goes to Goulburn. First stop Burradoo, then Mossvale, Exeter, Bundanoon, Penrose, Wingello, Toolong, Marulan, and Goulburn. The next train to arrive on platform 1 goes to Sydenham via Campsie. First stop Punchbowl, and then all stations to Sydenham. The next train to arrive on platform 2 goes to Torella via Walleye Creek. First stop Walleye Creek, and then Torella. The train on platform 1 goes to Blacktown. First stop Valley Heights, then Warramoo, Blaxland, Glenbrook, Lapston, Emu Plains, Penrith, and Blacktown. Change at Blacktown for a connecting bus service to Parramatta and Central Station. The train on platform 6 goes to Hornsby. First stop Cheltenham, and then all stations to Hornsby. The train on platform 2 goes to Cronulla via Kogarah. First stop Edgecliff, then King's Cross, Martin Place, Town Hall, Central, Redfern, Sydenham, Walleye Creek, Rockdale, Kogarah, Hurstville, Oatley, Genally, Sutherland, and then all stations to Cronulla. The next train to arrive on platform 1 goes to Central via Lidcombe. First stop Minto, then Ingleburn, Macquarie Fields, Glenfield, Liverpool, Cabramatta, Lidcombe, Strathfield, Redfern, and Central.